Okay, we are just going to go over some of your vocabulary words. So what I'm going to have you do, I guess, is we can get maybe move that over. I'm going to spread these cards out. You could just, once I get them all out, I'm just going to have you read each one to me. Remind me to put that back on the table. Have you guys practiced these a lot so far, or are they new? Do you get new words every week?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when do you have to have, when's your exam for this? Have you already had it, or will it be sometime next week? Do you know?
I think it will be sometime next week.
Next week? Okay. If you just want to, just start here and just read each one to me, and I can help if you need help.
Explained.
Speculate.
Speculate. Inspect. Spectre. Speculative. Retrospective.
It's similar to this one, except for this one has an S on the end. Spectacle. And then,
Respect.
yeah.
Presiding.
Perspective. And then you've got two more left over here.
Circumspect.
Close. Circumspect. Very good. And there's one more.
Introspection.
Good. Okay. If you just kind of want to, I'll let you pick the order. If you just want to point to one and then just kind of tell me everything you know about that word. Does that sound okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'll let you pick. There's no order.
Inspect.
Okay. Just tell me what you know about it, and then if you think you might need a little bit of help, if you flip it over, there's the definitions on the back. Well, just tell me what you know about it first.
Inspect means like there's something tiny, but you don't recognize it.
Yeah, you have to kind of inspect it.
Inspect it.
Right. If you want to flip it over on the back there and just read what it says, you were pretty close.
To look at carefully and searching for things.
Yeah, for flaws. Good. That was a good one. All right, so we'll scoot that one over, and just after you do them, we'll put them in that pile.
Spectre. Spectre is like a waiter, or another word for animals or humans to be living on.
Spectator. There you go. Is you talking about this word?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wrote some examples down for sentences. I can put that one in a sentence. Do you like, are you a fan of sports? I remember you said you play soccer. Yeah. So if people come and they are watching your soccer game, then the people in the stands that are watching and they're cheering you on, they're spectators. So that would be a spectator. If you want to flip it over, we can read the back of it.
The person who is watching something such as sporting event.
So that would be like a soccer game, or I know football. Do you like football? No, not really.
Soccer.
Soccer's your favorite? Alright, you can pick another one. Perspective.
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 Perspective means like something for animals or to respect people for like a different reason.
What's it on the back say?
One way of looking at things.
That's something. So, could you, let's see, what was my example? I wrote one down.
Bear and black bear.
Let's look. If you put it in a sentence, it would be like, let's see. It's like different ways to look at something. Like, so say if I'm looking at this calendar right here in front of us, then you're looking at that calendar. We both have different perspectives of it. Like, you might see, like when you see that picture up there, what do you think of when you look at that picture that's on the calendar?
Like a queen.
Yeah, and then I might look at it as like a Halloween costume or something.
Yeah.
So we have different perspectives. All right, put that one in the pile. Then you can go ahead and pick another one.
Respectory, right?
Uh-huh. Retrospective. If you want, we can kind of break it down. I'll underline that part. So retrospective. So it's 4 different kind of syllables going on there.
Respected.
Alright, so what do you think that means? Have you guys talked about this word in class?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? So what do you think it means? I can help you out a little bit if you want. Do you want help?
I think I know.
You think you know?
Respect means like animals or human, something protected or they had something special in or look closely.
Uh-huh. So retrospective is basically just looking back.
The past things for looking.
Uh-huh. So like if you are looking at a retrospective or something, like maybe you're remembering something that happened in one of your classes like earlier today or last year, or you know what I mean? So you're just kind of looking back at things. Alright, you want to pick another one?
Inspection.
Mm-hmm. Introspection.
Introspection.
Yeah, so what do you think that means?
It means only one trace can be like there's two things to look same. The people need to know the real answer and need to look closely.
Look closely to it. Yeah, so if you want to read the back of it.
The act of looking one's own thoughts and feelings.
Right. Good job. And you want to do the next one?
Speculate.
Halfway done. Speculate.
Speculate.
Yeah, what do you think that means?
I think like a bill, well, sometimes you split your bill.
Mm-hmm.
Like the bills, well, actually your bill is something like a science thing is like a dollar bill. It isn't. It's like a bill of science.
Gotcha. What's the back say?
To look at the things about something from different points of view.
Right. Alright. 4 more left. Which one do you want to do next? What's that one say?
Circumspect.
Yeah, very good. Circumspect. So what do you think that one means?
Sometimes you change or something like if you're in one house in a city, then you're alone with the house, but again, city like keeps going over and over.
What's the back say?
Carefully to look at the process bills before acting. Corrections or ways of corruption.
Consequences. Yeah, very good. That's a big word. That one's a tough one. Alright, so 3 more. Let's save this one for last.
Yeah.
Let's save that one for last. So these two are kind of the same. Do you notice the difference between the two? What's the difference?
Because there's a E with that ends with E and this E this is with an S.
Yeah, that one's got, it's the same word, but then this one's got that extra S on there, and this one kind of lacks an S. Yeah. So let's see what you think spectacles mean. This one's a fun one.
Spectacle means like to see you need to look closely to something you need.
And then I think that if you want to flip the back over and read that to me.
Glasses will help someone see better.
So spectacles are basically just
glasses.
Yeah, glasses.
Like plastic or metal.
Or just any kind of like I wear glasses sometimes. I actually have in contacts right now, but I have really bad eyesight, so sometimes I wear spectacles.
Spectacle.
Yeah, spectacle. What do you think about that one?
It means something with a lot of arms.
What's the back of it say?
Something disappears for the public to see.
Let's see. Yeah, something displayed for the public to see. And then you've got one more left.
Like the dinosaur bones in museums.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's a really good example. Good job.
Respect means you need it means you need to give people respect in your family, like loving, caring.
Yeah, I like that one. And then also, what other types of respect are there? Do you have to respect your classmates and your teacher?
And something to show honor.
Yeah, very good. That's a good one. I like that one. That's one of my favorite words. Now, looking back, if you want to spread those back out,
Yeah.
just do you see anything that's similar in all of the words? Like all the words have something in common. Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
What is it? What do all these words have in common? Every single word has it.
Each word has spect and spect.
Yeah, SPEC.
Yeah.
And then what does that word mean? Do you know? Or that root mean?
It means
Like, so if all these words have this, here, I'll underline some of them, have that syllable in it, what do you think that means? Like, what do they all have in common?
they all have common with science.
If you look, this inspect, it means you're looking deeply into something to, see its flaws. Respect means you're showing someone, respect being, like you said, showing honor.
It's giving more details on what the word means.
Yeah, and spec basically means just to look or to see. So all of the words kind of go together in that way. And let's go ahead and turn this off, and we'll finish up here. I have another activity for you.